What if the biggest opportunity in AI isn't creating the next ChatGPT, and it isn't selling AI prompts, and it isn't downloading another AI tool you've never heard of? What if the real opportunity is much simpler, using AI to build a business that already makes sense without AI? Because while millions of people are chasing the latest AI side hustle, a smaller group of entrepreneurs are doing something very different. They're using AI to make existing businesses faster, cheaper, and easier to scale. And that's where things get interesting. Because AI isn't just creating new jobs, it's changing how entire businesses operate. Think about a small business that needs social media content every day. Normally, they might need a writer, designer, video editor, researcher, and marketing assistant. Now imagine one person using AI to handle large parts of that workflow. Research with AI, write with AI, design with AI, create videos with AI, automate customer follow-ups, analyze the results. The business hasn't changed, but the cost and speed of running it have, and that creates a massive opportunity. Here's the first thing most people get wrong. They ask, which AI tool should I use to make money? That's the wrong question. The better question is, what expensive or time-consuming problem can I solve faster with AI? That shift is everything. Because businesses don't pay you because you know ChatGPT, they pay you because you can help them get more customers, save time, create content, reduce costs, or make more money. AI is simply the engine underneath the hood. And one of the most interesting business models built around this idea is the AI-powered service business. Imagine a local business owner, a restaurant, a real estate agent, a gym, a lawyer, an online store. They know they need content, they know they need marketing, they know they need better customer communication, but they don't have the time to do everything themselves. Instead of trying to build a complicated software company, you can use AI to provide one specific service. For example, short-form video creation, social media content, email marketing, lead generation, customer support automation, product descriptions, research, or even simple business automation. The key isn't offering everything, it's solving one painful problem really well. And here's where AI changes the economics. Without AI, you might spend several hours creating one piece of content. With the right workflow, you might dramatically reduce that time. That means you can potentially serve more customers without increasing your workload at the same rate. That's leverage, and leverage is what makes businesses scalable. But there's an even bigger opportunity: digital products. Imagine you discover a problem that thousands of people have. Instead of solving it individually for every customer, you create something once that can be sold repeatedly. A template, a guide, a spreadsheet, a prompt system, a course, a collection of workflows, a business toolkit. AI can help you research the problem, organize the information, create drafts, design assets, and even help with marketing. But there's an important distinction. AI doesn't automatically create a valuable product. You still need to understand the customer, you still need to know what they want, and you still need to create something worth paying for. That's why the real advantage isn't AI itself, it's AI plus understanding, and that combination is becoming incredibly powerful. But there's another model that might be even more interesting: content businesses. Think about YouTube, newsletters, blogs, social media pages, podcasts. AI can dramatically accelerate the research and production process. One person can potentially produce what once required an entire team. But again, the tool isn't the business, the audience is the business. If you create content nobody wants to watch, AI will simply help you create more content nobody wants to watch. That's why successful AI businesses still follow an old rule: find attention, find a problem, create value. AI simply helps you do it faster. And this is why I don't think the biggest AI opportunity is going to be AI side hustles. I think it's going to be AI-powered businesses. There's a difference. A side hustle usually asks, how can I make an extra $100? A business asks, how can I build a system that creates value repeatedly? That's a completely different mindset, and you don't necessarily need a huge team. You don't necessarily need a massive office. You don't necessarily need millions of dollars. You need a problem, a customer, an offer, a way to deliver the result, and a system that gets better over time. AI can help with almost every part of that process, but there's one thing AI can't give you: demand. That's why so many AI businesses fail. People build something because AI makes it possible, but nobody asked for it. They create another AI writing tool, another generic chatbot, another prompt library, another faceless content channel, and then wonder why nobody buys. The opportunity isn't to build what AI makes possible, it's to build what people actually want. That's the difference between technology and business. Technology gives you possibilities, customers give you opportunities, and entrepreneurs who understand both are the ones positioned to benefit. So if I were starting from zero today, I wouldn't spend the next 6 months trying every AI tool. I'd choose one market, I'd find one expensive problem, I'd create one simple offer, then I'd use AI to make delivering that offer faster and better. Once I had customers, I'd document the process, then automate the repetitive parts, then create systems, then scale. That's the blueprint. Not download this AI tool and become rich. Not copy this prompt and make $500 tonight. And definitely not AI does everything for you. The real opportunity is much less glamorous. It's building something people actually need and using AI to operate it better than you could before. That's why some people are quietly building serious businesses with AI while everyone else is still searching for the next viral tool. They're not chasing AI, they're using AI. And that difference could become one of the biggest business advantages of this decade. The question isn't whether AI will create opportunities, it already is. The real question is, will you spend your time searching for the next AI side hustle, or will you build something that can actually grow? Because the people who figure that out may not be the ones who know the most about AI. They may simply be the ones who understand business and use AI better than everyone else. And that's the opportunity worth watching. Subscribe to AI Wealth Academy, because in the next videos, we're going deeper into the businesses, experiments, and AI strategies that could actually matter.
The future is here. Do not miss what comes next. Subscribe and join the evolution.